how to make video with photos in mobile. Now if you want to make videos with particular photos, like basically creating a slideshow on a mobile phone, it is very simple. One of the ways we're going to achieve this is by using the popular video editing app CapCut. Now you can use other applications, that's totally up to you, but I personally prefer CapCut because it also has a free version that you can use and there will be many templates that you can choose from. So what you want to do is launch the CapCut app. Since it is a free version, I will have to deal with some of the ads unfortunately, but once I've done that, from the bottom what we can do is simply go to templates. From the templates tab, we can choose any of the templates that we want, but I want a slideshow template to be able to create a video using my pictures. So I'll go to the search bar, search for slideshow, and there will be different templates that of course you can choose from. So depending upon whichever template that you like this, right, then you can tap on use template. Now you can go to the photos section, then you can choose a couple of photos for this. So I'll just go ahead and select a couple of photos in this case right here. And once I've selected some photos, as you can see, the last one, I'll just add this and I'll hit the next option. It will automatically create a video for me based on the photos that I have chosen. And this way I'll be able to go ahead and then make videos with pictures or make a video with photos on your mobile phone. I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end and see you soon in our next video.